I'm really not sure what I want to do.
Even though I'm in middle school, I think it's important to know what I want.
Your goal would be to maybe get all A's on your report card, or if you wanted to set a big goal, it would be like becoming something when you're older, or going into college and then graduating from college.
The Naval Aviation Depot, North Island. These are words which resonate and speak to a proud heritage of diverse men and women working together to perform the tasks, both mundane and sophisticated, which are foundational to the defense of our great nation. Founded in 1910, the North Island Complex is known as the birthplace of naval aviation. Justifiably proud of its rich legacy of service and achievement, the Naval Aviation Depot, affectionately known as the NADEP, looks to the future with a vision of continuing to contribute to our nation's defense by performing maintenance and repair on as many as 200 aircraft a year. Our vision for the future mandates a workforce of highly skilled artisans. As a result, the NADEP has entered into a partnership with the San Diego and the Sweetwater school districts, as well as the Navy's San Diego Shore Intermediate Maintenance Activity. Together, these four organizations offer you the opportunity to learn while you earn, and in the process develop a promising career maintaining and repairing naval aircraft. The NADEP's commanding officer, Captain Denny Williams, was and is the driving force behind the NADEP School to Career initiative. Let's meet him.
Hello, I'm Captain Denny Williams, commanding officer of the Naval Aviation Depot here at North Island. And I'd like to talk to you about our School to Career program. Right now we have opportunities in instruments, machinists, metalsmiths, and avionics. Later on, we hope to expand this into other areas. What does it mean for you? Well, it gives you an opportunity to take what you're doing now in school and expand that into a potential lifetime career, and also to come over and work on the Navy's premier tactical aircraft and the components that are in it. It gives you an opportunity to be part of this nation. Anything that naval aviation does worldwide, you can say that you contributed to it. But more importantly, it gives you a career. You come over and you learn a skill. You can either work in that skill, or we have continuing education programs that we support. We pay the tuition, and you can eventually move into engineering, logistics, and other professional careers that are available to you. Bottom line is that it's a marvelous opportunity for you to get started, get into a good career that'll last you a lifetime, and if you want to move on, you're free to do so. Hopefully I'll see you around here at the depot, and good luck.
As Captain Williams indicated, the NADEP employs approximately 3,500 men and women who work in 125 different professions as diverse as accounting, engineering, secretarial and administrative work, as well as trades such as sheet metal, machining, instruments, and electronics. These individuals have an average of 17 years of experience. Education is also important. Consider the fact that on average, each NADEP employee has 2 years of college, with well over half the workforce holding trade certificates or degrees, ranging from associate degrees to doctorates. Let's meet some of these artisans and hear why they think working at the NADEP is a goal well worth pursuing.
Hi, my name is Carmen Rico, and I've been working here at the Naval Aviation Depot for the past 15 years. I started off as a clerk typist, and then I got interested in the machinist apprenticeship. With my strong background in math, I qualified for the program. They trained me on the lathes, mills, grinders, and drills. And then I was trained to work on the NC machines, which is the machine you see right before you. I'm also trained as a programmer to program jobs for the machine. And I've been doing that for the past 3 months. I've been a journeyman machinist for 13 years now, and I truly enjoy it. And I hope to learn more as technology keeps evolving.
My name is Frank Cascia. I started in the aircraft sheet metal trade in 1966. I've been in the aircraft sheet metal trade for about 25 years now. I make and manufacture parts to fit these aircraft. I've been around the world working on various aircraft for the Navy. It's a very interesting trade. There's a lot of flight critical parts that have to be manufactured and fitted. A lot of math involved, which nobody really enjoys, but I didn't as a young man, but I do now. I appreciate it, doing a lot of machine work. Again, being relied on for technical skills and knowledge of this industry. I really enjoy it. It's a good trade. It's paid me quite good. So, and I want to continue in it until I have a chance to retire.
Hi, my name is Mel Hofstetter. I work at North Island Naval Air Station. I'm an aircraft sheet metal lossman. We make flat pattern development for parts. We make drop hammer dies, form blocks. We do brake work. We cut and fit just about every kind of part you can imagine that goes on an aircraft. I started in this trade 32 years ago as an assembler, and I was amazed at the parts I was looking at. You know, I always wondered how they created these things. Well, now that's what I do. And I've been doing this trade for 16 years, and let me tell you, it's changed a great deal. We used to do everything by hand with saws and scribes and punches and drills. Well, we have some modern equipment now, and it's getting better every year. And so you need to know everything you can about computers. 5 years ago, a part like this would have taken a couple hours to make by hand. If we needed 20 of these, every one, same thing, hours and hours of work. Well, now I can draw the same part on the computer, run my computer program into the strip-it punch. How many do you want? 1, 10, 100? Well, if you want this part 2 years from now, all I got to do is turn it on, and there's your part. And there's a lot more fantastic things coming. This is an interesting trade. There's a lot of variety. It's been a good trade, and if I had to do it again, if I was going to be a tradesman, I wouldn't mind doing this all over again.
My name is Alejandro Cortez. I'm a machinist on the aircraft F-18. I've been here at Naval Aviation North Island for 10 years. I acquired my experience and my education through high school and machine shops. This has been a satisfying career for myself. The F-18 aircraft is a complex piece of machinery.
Hi, I'm Michael Siegmiller. I'm an electronics mechanic at the Naval Aviation Depot, North Island. And the way I started my career was when I was in high school, at the age of 15, 16, I was thinking about a career, and what they had offered in high school was electronics. And that was something that I wanted to get interested in. And main reason was I wanted to hook up car stereos in my car, and electronics was a career field for me. And at that particular age, I didn't know what I wanted to get into, but they offered woodworking, auto mechanics, and I guess electronics was the best for me. And when I got out of high school, I didn't pursue my college education. I wanted to get out there and work. And that was an eye-opener for me because I was bussing tables in Reno. And it was good money at the time, but winter rolled around, and I guess the casino business with the snow and everything, a lot of people weren't going up there, so my tip money went down. And I started to do a little thinking about what kind of a career I wanted. And I resorted back to electronics, so that next semester I went back to junior college, and I started taking general ed because I went through the beginning of the semester. I missed it because I was in Reno. So for the next semester I took general ed. In the beginning of that new year, I started electronics, and it was the same courses that they taught actually in high school. So I was going through the same courses, but high school prepared me, so it was easier for me in college. And during college, I was looking for jobs to make ends meet. I was living at home, and that's a good thing. But I wanted money to go out, so I was looking for part-time work, but I didn't want to work at McDonald's, where I worked previously when I was in high school. So I applied for a job at Mare Island for the Electronics Mechanic Apprenticeship Program, which is a 4-year program which they teach you electronics to become a mechanic someday. And I was picked up by the Naval Air Rework Facility in Alameda, and my career started in 1982. And so far it'll span for 16 years. And during that time frame, I worked on missiles for 9 years, and the last years of my career was avionics, and the last two and a half years of my career was working, especially radar, on high-powered transmitters that put up to 500,000 watts. And it's been a good career for me, and I'm glad I chose it, and I hope that you guys can choose the same career that I have. It's been great, and I look forward to many more years of working electronics and hopefully retiring.
These are the criteria which an applicant for the program must meet. Please note that U.S. citizenship is a requirement, and that students must be 17 years of age by the beginning of semester 2 of the Year 1 program. Applicants must also be able to communicate both orally and in writing, have excellent school attendance, be enthusiastic about learning a new skill, have high ethical values, have at least one teacher's recommendation, maintain a C average, and must be and stay drug-free. During semester 1, the student is enrolled in ROP, the Regional Occupational Program, or Work Experience. During semester 2, the student volunteers for on-the-job training at the NADEP, 2 hours per day, 4 days per week. During this semester, the student should also apply to and take tests necessary to be accepted at a college or university with a program leading to an AA, BA, or BS in industrial technology or avionics. At the end of semester 2, the student may be hired as a student temporary, which is a paid position. Those hired would work at the NADEP for the entire summer. At the end of the summer, dependent on successful performance and conduct, as well as being accepted into a recognized program leading to an AA, BA, or BS at a college or university, the student can be converted to a Student Career Experience Program participant. This is also a paid position and offers benefits such as pay increases, tuition reimbursement, life, health, retirement, and retirement savings plans options. During semesters 4, 5, and 6, formalized and on-the-job training continues at the NADEP, simultaneous with the student continuing to work on a degree. Work hours are contingent on the student's school schedule. Students must carry at least half an academic load, and based on satisfactory performance, may be promoted. When the student completes 640 hours of on-the-job training and finishes the degree program, he or she may be converted to a career conditional appointment at the helper WG5 level. Both the Sweetwater and San Diego school districts have facilities available which will provide the participant with technical instruction before the student begins work at the NADEP. In the case of the San Diego school district, this training would take place at Kearny High School.
How you doing here, Joe? Okay.
Yeah, I'm really cutting her down.
Putting a 45 on there? Great job.
Not 45, probably 30.
30 degree? Okay, great job. Hello, my name is John Riego de Dios. I'm the instructor here at Kearny High School. I teach the ROP Machine Tool Technology program. Kearny High School has partnerships with NADEP North Island, UCSD, Mesa College, and the Rotary Club. Another partnership is with General Atomics. We're currently interested in students that are highly motivated, that have a good attitude, and are interested in pursuing a career. If you're one of these students, please talk to your career counselor at your school site for more information.
Hello, and welcome to Kearny High School. I'm Dr. Dennis Brown, and I'm the principal at Kearny. And I want to welcome you to our school and the introduction to our partnership with NADEP North Island. As you can see, we're in the tool-making lab here at Kearny High School. Our lab is put together as a vocational and instructional technology program for students in San Diego City Schools. San Diego City Schools has a number of magnet programs. Ours, being Global Industrial Technology, focuses on students who want to make application of school-to-work career opportunities in the industrial technology sector. As you can see, we have young people here who represent our school and who are high school students. And we also have adult students who are ROP students who attend Kearny. One of the things that we do here is prepare students who have interest in industrial technology that will prepare them for jobs in the defense industry, in private industry, or in other areas that require skilled technicians. This is a unique opportunity for San Diego City School students because we are the only magnet program and the only school that has this particular focus. Each year, we graduate approximately 25 students who have highly skilled technical abilities and that will allow them to go into the workforce. Our students leave here and are able to enter directly into the workforce as part of school to career, or they're able to also go into college programs. As part of our partnership with North Island, San Diego, we are expecting that these students will be able to leave here, attend college, have their tuitions prepared and paid for by the North Island, and also have a job opportunity for these students when they complete school. As you see in our shop has a reflection of the types of tools and tool-making opportunities that are available on North Island. We will be adding to these, along with metal-making opportunities, plastics opportunities too. We're particularly excited about the potential for this partnership. Not only do we have the tool-making capabilities here at Kearny High School, but we also have engine repair and paint shops for our automobile section that will allow us to have direct application to the things that are done on North Island with airplane rebuild and repair and manufacture.
Hi, I'm Rob Atterbury, Director for School to Career for San Diego City Schools, and I'd like to thank you for taking this time to hear about this wonderful opportunity. School to Career started in 1993 with a local group of business people concerned about the welfare of our students and their inability to make the transition from school ultimately to the workplace. Whether that transition occurs immediately after high school or after 2 years of a trade technical program or after 4 years of college. The business people were concerned about making sure that schools, academic curriculum had a connection to the workplace. This opportunity before you for an internship with the North Island Naval Air Station, NADEP, is a wonderful opportunity for students to see the connection between what they're learning in school and how it applies in the real world workplace. An opportunity like this also may avail itself to a summer job or an after-school job, and once you're employed at NADEP, The opportunity for getting tuition assistance in college is also there. We're excited about this opportunity, and I hope that you will take advantage of it. Many students have already gone before you in other opportunities like this and have had great successes. The connections between what happens in school and what happens in the workplace are very, very important, and the students see the connection back at school. We're excited about this. I hope you will be too. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ed Brand, Superintendent of the Sweetwater Union High School District in our 24 middle, junior, senior, and adult schools. You know, as a student, you probably ask yourself every day, how does school relate to the world of work? How is my particular course that I'm taking going to allow me to get the kind of job that I want in the future? Well, we as educators understand that dilemma. In fact, we've taken an additional step further. What we've done is we've contacted lots of businesses. In fact, there's over 100 that are affiliated with our district at this time. And what we've asked them to do is to provide a slot for someone like you to get in and actually learn how the world of work happens, how important it is to be on time, to dress appropriately, to have good communication skills, how important it is to do well in school, because school is essentially working as a student. And what we have allowed our students to do through this real important process is provide transportation, provide you an opportunity to put those skills that you're learning every day in the classroom actually to work alongside trained professionals that can always assist you, but also can motivate you to do better in school and to do better in your chosen profession. What I would encourage you to do is to talk to your teacher and counselor about these very, very important programs. For instance, one that I'm particularly proud of is our relationship with the U.S. Navy. Here you have an opportunity to work on multi-billion-dollar ships, million-dollar pieces of equipment, high degrees of technology that are going to be the jobs that are available in the next century. You as a student can do this today simply by going to your counselor and letting them know about your desire to be involved in this very important project. Internships and apprenticeships can really add to your knowledge and help you better determine what you want to do for the rest of your life. The world of work can be fun, it can be exciting, but most of all, it's significantly rewarding knowing that you'll have a career that will enhance your life as well as your families. I hope you take advantage of this great opportunity. Thank you.
While the San Diego School District will use Kearny High School for their pre-NADEP training, the Sweetwater School District will utilize the Navy's Shore Intermediate Maintenance Activity, or SEMA.
9.5 degrees. If you got any problems, just let me know, give me a holler, and I'll come over here and help you out. Hello, how you doing? My name is MR1 Fajardo. I'd like to welcome you to Ships Intermediate Maintenance Activity San Diego in partnership with Sweetwater Unified School District and NADEP North Island. What we're sponsoring here and in partnership is a Schools to Career program. What we're trying to push is to get high school students to come over here to NADEP to learn a skill so they could progress out in the world and be part of the community. What I'd like to do at this time is introduce you to Ms. Robles.
Hello, my name is Blanca Robles. My son has been attending this program since last year. We're really happy, me and my husband, because we've seen a lot of changes on him. He's doing a lot better in school since he started this program. And we're really happy to see him getting into a career that he likes it. He loves it, and we love the changes being made of.
The NADEP School to Career program offers you the opportunity to make a difference, and in doing so, to gain the skills which can lead to a challenging career in the field of naval aviation. Competition for these positions will be tough, but if you have the right stuff, are focused, enthusiastic, have a willingness to study hard and to work with both your mind and your hands, you are the kind of person the NADEP is looking for. Rise to the challenge. Consider building a bridge to your future by participating in the NADEP School to Career program.